got it. I don't know how well he's hooked, but it's...
There's one.
Oh, there we go. There's gone. Look at this plate go.
Woo! Dude, I love Florida. This place is epic. Another one. Another one. Another one. Is this it?
Yeah, we're here.
Feels like we're here. Just went off the road going 50. This is gonna be kind of an interesting mission. Not so sure about this. We'll see how she goes. I haven't done this in probably 2 years, 3 years. Well guys, welcome back. We are still in Florida. This morning we parted ways with the Shark Boys, Ray and Elliot, which by the way, if you guys are watching this, huge shout out to you. Love you all for letting us fish your waters. We're continuing our journey. Gonna do some freshwater fishing today. We're going to actually go on a roadside fishing mission. I'm pretty stoked. I love fishing for the bank. It's what I grew up doing. And Florida is just full of these crazy canals. It's a home of the Everglades, and there's a lot of diversity in these waters. So we're gonna take basically 2 spinning rods and reels and just terrorize these roadside spots. We're gonna get some rods all situated, and then meet you guys out in the drink. Stick with it, stay tuned, and enjoy. It's gonna be a hectic one, guys. I'm gonna start off the day by throwing this little 𝗟𝗘𝗥𝗘𝗟. Don't know really what the fish are biting or if they're biting at all. I think when I came here it was like maybe October. It's gonna be a little bit cooler, but maybe that gives them an excuse to push back a little more. Alex is gonna throw some finesse stuff, and we're just gonna fish as much water as we possibly can. All roadside ditches, all roadside ponds. It's gonna be a rip. We're good. Send it! Wicked. This spot looks so cool. This is gonna be the juice. It's gonna be the juice right here. Oh yeah, big. Interesting. Oh wow, big crab right here. Let's see if I can catch this guy. Huge crab. No way. This must be salt water, like a little bit of salt water, because there's literally a crab right there. Oh, he didn't like that. Oh, he didn't like that at all. He just zooted. There he is right there. There he is right there. Look at him. He's right there, a little blue crab or something. Hey buddy, you want my swim bait? You want my swim bait guy? Look at him right there. Look at this crab. You guys see him? He's so happy. Come on, eat the swim bait, eat the swim bait, eat the swim bait, eat the swim bait. Ah, he's not having it. He's not having it. Okay, so I didn't know this, but apparently this must be brackish water, I'm guessing, or it's completely salt. One or the other. I didn't expect to see that. I thought for some reason this was just fresh water, but it's brackish. Very cool. That water's moving pretty good. Oh no, I did not mean to do that. Oh my God, just got hammered. Snook, little snook, but I just got clapped. He's right there, he's still there. That was something. That was something. Right under the tree, man. He came up and nailed it. First good bite of the day. I don't know what it was. Honestly, it looked like a snook, but I have no idea. Came out super fired up and just popped my saucy swimmer. I don't know where he went though. He like ate it and went back down. It was kind of a weak bite, to be honest. Good sign though. We got some life. Oh wow, what the hell is that? That's something huge. Big snook. Big snook. Holy dude. No way. No way. Dude, that thing is monstrous. What's happened with mine over there? Like, he's super interested and he just didn't want it. Oh, you got him, you got him. You snag him or you have him?
Yeah, I got him.
You got him? Oh yeah. There we go, first fish of the day. Dude, that thing is dogging you. It's a pretty good one, man.
Yeah, man, dude, sight casted him too. Oh, that was such a
We're
cool
hooked up, roadside. There is, what is this?
This is
29?
Yeah, State Road 29.
State Road 29 behind us. And in front of us is a very nice Florida largemouth. Wow, I stepped in some fire ants and they're destroying my feet, but I'm just too excited about this large you just have.
Honestly?
Quick, yeah, just quick boat flip. Yep, there you go. Got him.
very good fish, dude.
Smoke. Where were you throwing the little drag and drop with the
Yeah,
wacky?
drag and drop with the wacky.
Mega finesse.
Dude, little football.
Yeah. Cool. And what we think is that this canal, and again, you guys would probably know who live in Florida, but we're pretty sure this is like tidal.
Yeah.
The water's coming out right now. I'm assuming it's up and now it's receding back into the ocean. And there's like oysters in here. We saw bowfin. I'm pretty sure I had a snook chase me down earlier. Mullet. Yeah, blue crabs too. Crazy. Put her there, bro. Yo, let's go. First of many, hopefully. Full send. Nice, gentle toss. Later. There she goes.
Later.
Woo! Roadside fishing. One of many. Let's get some more. Another one? What do you got? What do you got? Oh, buddy's hooked up. What is it? How big? Oh, not a bad one. No, really good, honestly, for a canal. Dude, they're fat. They're so fat. Any followers? There's Alex with another fatty. Fish number 2 just after that last one.
Swing.
Definitely some largemouth in here. Some hungry LMBs, no doubt about it. See you.
Later, dude.
Later. Oh, there's one. Oh my God, I had something nice and he came off. What a goon. Oh, that was probably a gar. That was probably a gar. Shoot. Gotta be a fish right here. Oh my God, big largemouth. Oh my God, big largemouth. Big largie, big largie, big largemouth just chilling right there. I think he saw me. That's a big bass. That is a big bass. I think he's on a bed. There's a big largemouth right here. I think he's on a bed. Let's see if we can get him to eat. That fish is on a bed. There's a bedding bass right here. Holy moly, this is a nice fish. It's a nice fish on a bed. Okay, this is gonna be sick. I gotta see if I can pull this off. There's a really nice bass on a bed. I can't believe they're bedding already. Guess it is Florida. It's a good largie. Nice largemouth. Oh, I think he just made a pass at it. This is so hard. One of the hardest bed fishing scenarios I've ever had. So you guys, no, for sure, you can't see this, but just over these shrubs is like about a 2.5 pounder on a bed. And it's just so unideal, but I really want to get a fish. I'm basically going to test my limits here, see if I can catch this fish over a bush. I can just barely see where this guy's at. Hold the GoPro for me. This is about to be, dude, just saw like a 5 pounder cruising. We need to keep going down, yeah. Huge fish, they're bedding right now. No. So just down there is about a 3 pounder on a bed. I can't believe they're bedding in Texas right now. Florida. Florida. Where are we at again? Florida. Thanks.
Got it. I don't know how well he's hooked, but it's. Oh. That's so stupid. You. Yes, sir. Dude, how unreal is that?
Welcome to Florida, baby. Fishing roadside canals, man. It's so funny. You wouldn't think twice about fishing this. Like, I'm sure people drive past this thing every single day and like, oh, look at that ditch. Here we have like a 2.5 pounder. Let's go, put it there. Al and I both now have pretty good fish. Now that I know that these fish are spawning, it could get really kooky. These fish must have just moved up too, because he's barely got any signs of fanning. I mean, this is a fresh spawner, which by the way, we're not gonna put back so he can make some more Florida babies. How epic is that? Ready? Gonna go for the most gentle release possible. Ready? Go. There he goes. Woo! Sharks one day, Florida cal bass the other. Let's get him. Dude, there's a nice largemouth on a bed right here, dude. Really? Yeah. Yep. Here we go. Ready? Oh, that was sweet. That was cool. Bro. Canal largies are popping off. That was cool. That was cool. You know what's funny? Is we didn't even plan on doing freshwater fishing. This was supposed to be just a saltwater send only, but we had an extra day, and I remembered how dope the canal fishing is, and it's just panning out. Like, we didn't know they'd be bedding. I had no idea they'd bed this early in Florida. This is my second pretty good largemouth. Don't want to hurt him too bad. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. And I mean, can't ask for much more in a spot that's very public, very pressured. We're just cranking him. We're doing it good. Gonna send him back on his little zone. You ready? Yep. See you later, Jimmy. Bye-bye. He probably just hung around right there. That's why I caught him. I'm gonna take like 2 seconds to show you guys how we're catching these fish. Just gonna wait for the semi to pass. Okay. This morning we went to Bass Pro Shops and had to pick up some lures because, like I said, we weren't prepared for doing any freshwater missions. So what I did is I picked up some 4/0 Superline EWG hooks, and then of course I had to scoop some Lunker logs. So what I'm doing is I'm just weedless rigging this. The reason why I'm weedless rigging this is just tons of little, like, are they mangroves? What are they?
Mangroves.
Mangroves.
Yeah, I mean,
just really thick brush.
Yeah.
And I like wacky worming in the spring, or I guess in this case, mid-winter. I'm going fully weightless and weedless, which is actually a really great way to fish. Although this rig may not have a ton of action, it just puts in work. And the cool thing is it resembles minnows. So we could have some of these exotic fish that aren't supposed to be here, or these saltwater fish in here also key in on this as well, because it looks like a little bait fish, or I don't know what it looks like. It looks like a floating turd, but they love it, as you can see. So we've got 4 fish now between you and me, and we still have like miles of the canal left to work. So let's just keep on cranking. Whew. Oscar? Yeah. I'm working on a pretty nice bedfish over here. Let's see what happens. Come on, guys, we can do this. Pretty. Oh, there's 2 of them. There's the female and there's the male. I think Alex is hooked up. What you got? What is it? LMB. Hey, how pretty you got? Oh, that's a pretty nice one, yeah.
Dude, sniped him.
Really? Very nice. Give her the beans, buddy. There you go. Careful, high stick. Okay, got him. Nice. Number
3 for me.
3, so 5 total.
5 total.
You. Very nice fish, dog.
Yeah, man. Little football.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye. Probably close, like 2.5 pounds. A lot of tiny fish.
It's a little bit longer up here. Maybe able to...
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. We're good. We're good. We're good. Wow, that was almost really bad. Oh, that's a pretty good one. Oh yeah, that's a really nice fish. That might be one of the biggest ones of the day. Oh god, he's trying to go right in the bank. Come on, get out, get out, get out, get out. We're good. We're good. Oh, my spool or my bail just like went right up when I set the hook. Ah, finally, we got him, Bobby. Nice. Is that my 3rd one of the day? Wow, very sloppy. I had my line on the bail on the hook set and just spit out a bunch of line. Thankfully, he committed to the white, all white Lunker lure. I kind of changed it up there. The all white is probably one of the best ones we make for bed fishing. Dirty, dirty. Toss this guy back. From here, we're going to go switch things up. There's so much water around here, so we're actually going to get on. What's that route? 70, or is it?
I-75.
I-75. We're going to check out I-75, which is Alligator Alley. We're going to go peep that, see if maybe there's more beds there, more bowfin. The funny thing is one of the fish I'm trying to catch that I've never caught my entire life is a bowfin, and I know they're in here. And actually, one of the biggest bowfin I've ever hooked, ever seen, was right here in Florida. That's kind of like my side goal to also catching fish in the canal today. I just saw a huge one. I don't know, the GoPro might have picked it up, may not have when I was working that bedfish, but dude, they're huge here in Florida. I don't know how they get so big. All right, let's pack it up and meet you guys there. It's an ideal spot. Are you serious? Look at this Pleco. 𝗥𝗘𝗘𝗟. 𝗥𝗘𝗘𝗟. I got a 𝗥𝗘𝗘𝗟.
What you got there?
Got a little 𝗥𝗘𝗘𝗟. Check out my little Pleco. Ah! We're good.
It's okay, they're armored.
They're armored. On our way back to the car, I saw one of these guys. Actually, the first one I ever caught with my hands. They're native to South America. They're not supposed to be in here, but because people like to take their fish from fish tanks and dump them into public areas, they're now thriving. They've got armored scales. They're the weirdest looking things. It's like definitely one of those fishes that have been around for like millions of years. They look like straight out of the Jurassic period. Look at that dorsal. Freakiest thing you've ever seen. All right, buddy, go back to your rock. He's like, wow, that was fun. Dude, they're so weird. They don't even look like they belong on this planet. Oh my God. That's a sign you don't see every day. Didn't know this, but Florida's got panthers. I guess that makes sense. The Florida Panthers. Yeah, that's pretty stupid of me. Florida's got panthers and crocs and venomous snakes and alligators. They have crocs, right? You said they have crocs? I learned that today too. There's apparently crocs in Florida. Florida's just a big landmass of animals that want to fucking eat you. With that in mind, we are at spot number 2 on the same route that we were on earlier, which is 41. 29, I think. There's a few main ones you can fish over here. It's like I said, 71 or 75, 41, and 29. But here we are. I don't know if this is primarily gonna just be freshwater fish. The last spot seemed to be a mix of both. We actually saw 𝗟𝗘𝗥𝗘𝗟 swimming in the canal. which is so weird. Like, I feel like that never happens. I'm excited. Let's do this. Spot number 2 going down. There's one.
There we go. There's one. No way. Oh my God. Yes. Yes. Yes.
It's a bowfin.
Yeah. So wicked.
No way.
Was I recording? Yeah, I was. Oh my gosh, dude. That's it, man. Life goal complete. Yes. Oh, dude. Oh my God. I just put the hook right in my face. This is so funny. I think I might have mentioned this earlier in today's video, but this is one of the fish I was kind of wanting to catch as a bycatch. We're out here for largemouth, but I've never had the opportunity to catch a bowfin. These guys have been around for millions of years. They're such weird fish. They're meant for killing. Check out their mouths. They look like dinosaurs. Oh my Lord, dude, that's epic. Kicked and gone, dude. I know so many people watch the video right now are thinking, why the hell did John just get majorly hyped for bowfin? I've hooked so many, never, for some weird reason, never have had the chance to actually land one. There's big ones in here, like the biggest one I ever hooked was here, and it probably was like a 9-pound bowfin, but I actually did it. I thought it was cursed for some reason, because me and my buddy joke, every time I hook one, it just pops off. Not that one though, we got her in. On the Lunker log too, that's so funny, dude, put her there. Hell yes, we broke the curse of the bowfin. Weird fish, man, such weird fish. There we go. Another fish. Another bowfin. Oh my God.
Another bowfin, dude. Another freaking bowfin. This is unreal. This is unreal. He's a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. Wow. Wow, this is insane, dude. I went from never having, I'm speechless. Wow, yeah, that's a lot better. I'm gonna try not to. Go. That's a little bit bigger. Yep, that's a little bit bigger. I'm so stoked. Ah! Dude, they're hard to like manage. Like, they've got teeth, they're scary. I don't know what I'm doing. That's a lot bigger. I went from never even holding one of these before to catching back to back. Buddy really likes the Lunker log. He won't let go of it. This one's a bit bigger than the last one I caught. They're just such wicked fish, man. To think these guys are probably swimming around with the dinosaurs, and now we get to catch them is, it's kind of a privilege. These guys are underrated. They're just nuts, man. They're just fruity fish. Come on, buddy. You gotta swim off. There he goes. A little bit of grass on his head, but he'll be all right. Woo! Dude, I love Florida. This place is epic. Another one. So many fist bumps today because we're doing something that I didn't plan on doing. That being going on the bank, straight from the road, and onto some amazing fishing. This is such a lush ecosystem for a highway. Let's go get one more, and then we're done. Wait for it. Wait for it. Ah, gotta love the sound of Mother Nature. Sun is setting here in Florida. I think it's time for me to bid farewell to all you beautiful wieners out there. What a day. So much fun. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. I feel like I was really getting back to my roots on this one. This is a video that I filmed very similarly 3 years ago, and I just felt like I was right back at home. But let me know in the comment section below where I should do another roadside fishing video, and or if you enjoyed this one. It's crazy to have water there and then pavement just over there. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, and I appreciate the view. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and as always, folks, keep fishing. Never stop.